Hello friends, welcome to Show Me's World, and today I will be making the SAAG chicken or the Murgh Saagwala, and spinach, as you can see, is on my mind. I'm going to make this chicken recipe with full of nutritious spinach leaves, and this is super delicious and so easy to make. Let's quickly get started, and don't forget to hit the bell icon and please subscribe to my channel before watching this video. At first, I'm making the spinach puree. I have already blanched the spinach leaves in hot water, and I'm going to add these semi-boiled spinach leaves in the blender. I'm going to add 2 green chilies, 1 ginger, and few cloves of garlic. Going to mix all of them together in a smooth paste. So blending all of the ingredients together in a smooth paste, you can see it takes approximately 2 to 3 minutes for that. In a hot wok, adding cooking oil, and once the oil is hot enough, adding in the sugar to caramelize, and it gives a great color to the onions. Once the sugar starts to turn light red in color, I'm adding in the whole spices. You can see I'm having the cardamom, the black and the green, the cloves and the cinnamon sticks. Once the whole garam masalas starts to sizzle, I'm adding in the chopped onions and going to fry them until it turns light golden brown in color. This is taking me around about 4 to 5 minutes, and I'm going to fry it in high to medium flame. Make sure the onions don't get burnt. Once the color of the onion starts to change in light golden brown, I'm adding in the dry spices. In the dry spices, adding first the garam masala powder, the cumin powder, the coriander powder, red chili powder. I'm using here Kashmiri red chili. It gives a very nice flavor and also the color is great. Adding in the kasuri methi. Also adding in roughly chopped tomatoes. Now going to fry all of them together until oil starts to separate from the masalas. Once the oil has started to separate, now it's time for me to add the chicken. I have already marinated the chicken with yogurt and kept it aside for half an hour, or you can just keep it less than half an hour if you want to. I'm going to add these bone-in chicken cut into medium size pieces, whatever you want. Adding all the chicken one by one and mixing them together well with the masalas, and cook it for some time. Adding in the salt as per your taste. Going to cook the chicken for some time more, and then going to cover the pan with a lid, and in medium flame going to cook it for approximately 10 minutes until the chicken is cooked. After 10 minutes, you can see that the color of the chicken has changed and how beautiful it looks, and also the oil has started to separate completely from the chicken. This is the time when I'm going to add the spinach puree which I have already made. So adding in the puree into the chicken, mixing the spinach with the chicken and cook it for some time more. Adding a small amount of lukewarm water into the chicken so that it can cook well, and going to once again cover the pan with a lid and let it simmer for approximately another 10 minutes or less. Opening the pan after approximately 6 minutes, I can see that the chicken is fully cooked and the color has changed and it looks beautiful, and of course it smells beautiful. So now it's time to add some butter, which will give some amazing taste to this Palak chicken. and also some fresh cream. Giving everything a final mix and let it simmer for a couple of few minutes, and it's ready now to be served. The SAAG chicken or the spinach chicken is ready to be served. This looks so delicious and it smells amazing. It is full of nutrition because spinach, as you know, has a lot of nutrition in it. Drizzling in the chicken with a little more of cream, and you can enjoy this recipe with the choice of your Indian bread or even rice. Today I'm enjoying it with nothing better than handmade rotis. This is so nice. You just try it, friends, and believe me, this is one of the best chicken recipes you can ever try it at home, and this is completely restaurant style. Please do subscribe to my channel and like, share with your friends this recipe, and do let me know how was it. Until next time, bye bye.